Hey, welcome back, you guys. This is Sean and Alice somewhere inside. We are at 21413 Palm Avenue, and this listing is currently held with Beachy Beach Real Estate with Kelli Sullivan and Renata Murphree. And this is a buyer's agent, really kind of just an informal preview of this home for one of our customers. But you'll get to take a sneak peek at it too. I'm gonna walk down the side here real quick. Got these pavers, nice vinyl fence on the side here. Here's the side entrance to the home. It's kind of an interesting growth pattern on that palm tree. Outdoor shower, love it. And this looks really well maintained. It looks like they have it fitted for hurricane protection. Maybe we'll see what kind it is. Believe it or not, plywood actually works the best out of everything. Well, I guess it used to be the cheapest way to do it, but with wood prices going up, maybe not anymore.
Welcome home.
Hey, there you are.
I'm here. Cute. This is a 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There are 3 bedrooms downstairs and 1 bedroom right here on the entrance downstairs too that function as well as a laundry room.
Okay. I love this floor. Is this like a wood look tile? Yeah.
Yes, cute.
I'm gonna go to the front porch here real quick.
All right.
Hey, that's me.
I'm gonna check upstairs.
This front porch is enclosed and screened in. Off to the right, we have a bathroom here. Very nice finishes everywhere. Oh, this kind of reminds me of a bathroom slash laundry room that I had growing up in the house that I grew up in. Fancy shower though. Love it. Directly across the hall, we have a bedroom. And then we transition to a floor that is a LVP. So we had a gray tile in the bathroom and this tan or sandy colored wood look tile in the living room and the hallway. Continuing down the hall, off to the right, the next is another bedroom. Standard size closet. You know, I'm going to go back to this other bedroom because I didn't open the closet in here. Oh, you know why? Because it was behind the door. See, there's the entrance on the left and then the closet is behind the door, so I didn't even see it. But you do have your electrical panel there. It looks like this is part of the staircase on the right that goes to the upper level. Looks like it goes back quite a bit for a little bit of extra storage space. Okay, now that we got that closet discovered. Let's go to this third bedroom. And I'm guessing similar layout? Similar? No. Okay, so technically we don't have a closet in here. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. There's not a closet in here unless I'm blind. But a very cute room nonetheless. And this is the door that goes out to the back porch, which also is an outdoor shower. Here's your yard we were just in. Now let's go back down the hall and then take a peek upstairs. Okay. Hey, I know you.
I know, you like how I like to be ahead of the game, right?
Yes.
So I already check it out.
This is totally believable, by the way. The cat always does it. Here's a view from the top of the stairs. Hey, they keep the top of their cabinets and fridge clean. That's cool. All right, what did you find up here?
Full bath on your right. Behind the mystery door is your water heater.
Okay. Oh.
Not that mystery door, that mystery door.
Alice is anxious for me to open the mystery door. Oh, wow. The house has got closed cell spray foam insulation. That really makes this efficient, you guys. If you've ever had a home without it and then added it later, you'll know the savings on your power bill you can recognize from upgrading to that.
Behind this mystery door is
Number 2.
air conditioner.
Oh, cool, cool. Okay. Let's see. Looks fairly new. I can't see the writing on it. It's a little dark in there, but looks very clean in there. Straight ahead, looks like we got another bedroom. And Alice's phone is ringing. I love the artwork and the way they've staged this. And now our last room. Very cute, you guys. Very cute. Yes, you're very cute too.
Aww, thank you.
He's cute too. She's cute too. The cat did it. What do you think? Did the cat do it?
No, we never do anything.
All right, you guys, if you want to give us a thumbs up. We had a little technical difficulties there, so that was a rough cut. We call that a jump cut right now. Phone's ringing. Okay. See you on the next one. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now. Thanks so much.